Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over crossing pullbacks. So these are super fun to throw in a dance or to finish with a turn. So I'm going to go over them here. So the crossing pullbacks uses a double pullback or a syncopated pullback. It's called the same thing. So if you have not yet learned a double pullback or even just a pullback, I would recommend going and watching my tutorial going over how to do a double pullback, and then coming back to learn how to cross it, because it's super important to get the foundation, the basics, and then to grow from there into the more advanced challenging stuff. So when you do a double pullback, your feet are pulling back at a slightly separated time. So if you're starting on the right foot, your right foot will spank first, then your left foot will spank, and then you'll step down right, left. Don't mind the in-between steps. That's just because I can't float midair. So, excuse me. So you're going to go spank, and then step, step. Okay? So let me see if I can do one slow here. You have spank, spank, step, step. Yeah, so that's on the right side. Okay, ultimately you do want to land on your toes. You also want to try to start from your toes. It's okay to start from your flat foot, but to get more advanced, you want to start from your toes. Okay, I tend to just start from flat foot because I don't have that big of a board, and I can't go as far back as I'm used to. So when you cross them, starting on the right foot here, you're going to cross first with your right, then you're going to cross back with your left. Let me just put my right foot down here to balance. Back with your left, then you're going to step on your right and step left. And then ultimately your right foot will be crossed in front, left foot will be crossed in back. So you kind of want to start with your right foot slightly more forward. That way it can cross in front here. So from here you have spank, spank, step, step, right foot crossing in front. Let's go ahead and give that a try here. So right foot starts here. Yeah. And you're almost kind of, your heels are almost kind of pointing in so that your feet travel in that direction instead of backwards. Because if we have our heels pointing backwards, we're just going to go backwards. So almost kind of want to point your heels in. And then from here, spank, spank, land, land. So what you can do from here is you can either just turn it out and turn, or you can do a rhythm turn to complete a full turn. So if I were to go here, make it one continuous motion, you have your pullback, crossing pullback into your rhythm turn. So here we go. Let's give that a try. Woo, it's hard to do on my small board. 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4. And there you go. You have a full 4 count in a dance. Let's give that another try here. So we have, okay, so if you want to switch sides now left foot's going to start. So you have spank, spank, and then step, step. So now your left foot wants to be a little more in front because it's going to be crossing in front. Right foot's a little bit further back. And again, heels are pointing in so that you go sideways instead of back. So let's give it a try here. I'm not the best on my left side. I'm better on my right side. So we have spank, spank, land, land. Let's give that another try here. We have, there you go. So when we put that into a turn now, we're going to do a left side rhythm turn. So with our left foot, double pullback, and then left, right, left, right. So let's give that another try. One more try here. We have, okay, hopefully that made sense. Crossing pullbacks, whichever foot you're starting with will be the one that crosses in front. You could do it the opposite way, but that's a little bit more awkward, I find. So whichever foot is starting, say it's your right foot, you want that one in front more because it's actually going to cross in front. Also, heels pointing slightly in and not back, because if you have them back, they're just going to travel backwards. Okay, we want to travel sideways in. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a song suggestion or a step suggestion that you want me to break down, let me know down in my comment section below, and I'll try and get to those as soon as possible. And I think that's it. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.